Pero mostly kasi main suggest really good ones if you can. Kasi kung nasa Walk to Remember.
Pero ako to remember, 24 years.
Ano isa? When I was early, but...
Ay! Ano yun? He's just not that.
He's just not
Hindi ko pa napapagod.
Sita. Tsaka, well, a Fault in Our Stars basically kasi the intensity of the acting, the intensity of the story. Ang sarap gawa ng ganun.
Masakit, no?
Ang sakit-sakit after watching it. Tapos, after ko siyang panoorin, parang na-realize ko yung mga bagay na meron ako na we're still so blessed. So yung mga ganun po. Well, chick flicks pa more. Coming soon.
Hindi kasi tsaka mas tumatatak kasi din pag yung masakit, pag yung nasasaktan ka, parang siguro mga 5 taon bago ka makamove on dun sa story. Parang may asawa ka na, pas yung pa rin yung na, di ba?
Twice or thrice mo siyang panoorin, ang sakit pa rin.
Masakit pa din, walang asawa factor. Ayun, gano'n. Kaya sana direct kami, sana po maging gano'n din po yung pelikula namin. Masarap ulit-ulitin, kaya... Ayun, sinasay ko yung July 13.
We'll take one question from Janelle, then the lady over here, then Sir.
I'm John from Geeks4You.com. My question is for me. Siyempre, madami kang kilig moments dito sa movie. But my question is, if you can share briefly, anong may particular moment na pinaka-close na nangyari na between sa inyong dalawa in real life?
Ay, nakasama
Close po sa movie?
Yeah.
Parang
Yung nangyari sa movie na close na in real life.
Kissing scene.
It doesn't need to be exact. Medyo yung quite close.
Malapit
maybe
lang.
nung una kayo nagkita or...
Kasi ito, unang kita, bad trip.
Uy!
Hindi, but kasi yung... But difference kasi, nung unang kita namin ni May sa TV Battle for Hours. Hindi naman bad trip ang naramdaman ko nun yung pag-plywood. So, very different. Ikaw even yung close.
Kung hindi say maybe opposite, maybe ironic, compared to the real life. Wala, unique talaga yung scenes.
Opo, unique eh. Ay!
Wala akong naisip na close sa atin.
Malapit po siya.
Trigger ng memories. Sige,
Pero mabalikan ko po kayo dyan. Text ko po kayo. Tinumber niyo po.
Meron po, kaya na we really can't say kasi it's a spoiler na po eh.
Sige po, yun ba?
Parang naging lip readers pa naman.
Opo.
Surprise kasi. Yun.
Mag-usap po tayo sa Monday.
Parang that scene, parang replicates Aldab before. Ano siya, yung showcase niya po, is very technical. But if you watched it, you will see na this is Aldab when we were starting.
Hindi nagkakatagpo. For the story, what do you think is the biggest takeaway of your viewers? Dito sa
Come again po, ma'am. Biggest takeaway.
And the second question, baka hindi na pabalik-balik. Kayong dalawa, what was your takeaway from the experience filming in dito? Well, kasi ang dami naming nagawa sa Italy, ang dami namin na-experience, and ang dami rin namin natutunan ni Aden doon eh. And feeling ko hindi lang kapag napanood ng masa yung pelikula, sila din. May mga matutunan din sila about love, about life, about destiny, about meeting people. Ang dami eh. Ang dami siguro tatatak sa kanila.
Yes. Well, ako naman po, parang the experience was really different upon reading the script than doing it in action na. So, ang layo niya kasi when you read it and when you do it. So, kami, we've learned a lot professionally, personally with each other, and siguro the fans will take something, what they can take from the movie is parang, siguro love. How love really works. You know, how love finds its way regardless of the circumstances in life. Siguro basically that's it.
Okay? Magaling magtanong mga vlogger, no? Okay, sir.
Okay, maganda lang, Mike.
Or you, boy?
May question ko is, pang-intro kasi yung question ko. So, can you give us a brief background of your characters and the story? And kung nakaka-relate kayo sa mga characters mo. Di ba pang-intro yung tanong?
Well, ito ilang beses na natin nasagot. Ako kasi si Gara at medyo similar naman kasi yung personality ni Gara kay May. Kasi siguro pwera lang dun sa pagiging optimist. Pero naging optimist na rin ako there. I'm trying. Oo. Positive kasi si Gara and alam mo yun, parang siya kasi naniniwala siya na everything happens for a reason. And Gara is very, hopeless romantic kasi siya. And ako, somehow, hopeless romantic din ako kasi naniniwala ako sa existence ng soulmates, ng true love. So, ganun si Gara. And siya kasi, kapag nakaka-experience siya ng, hindi maganda experience, o kaya sa love, sa life, hindi siya yung tipong nalulugmok. Parang positive pa rin yung outlook na kahit meron siya pinagdaanan na gano'n, alam niya na may rason lahat yun, na in the end, naging positive, naging okay din lahat, naging positive din ang outlook. So, ganun si Gara. Similar with me.
Yun po. Si Andrew kasi, kung makita niyo lang po sa trailer, napaka-iyakin. So that's number 1. Number 2, in a way kasi, minsan masungit talaga ako eh. So yun yung characters ni Andrew, sungit. Tapos, pero the good thing about him naman is, if he loves, he gives it his all. Kaya grabe din siya masaktan. Yun. I give my best, but I guess my best. And so, yun, in a way, pero dun, kasi po sa trailer, you can see naman na Andrew, in the beginning, has this dark side. So, they need to figure out, or as they watch the film, they will understand. So, yun.